Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I've got a Mosaic from MoYu. This is a 10 by 10. They have some other sizes. They also have other size puzzles. So from what I've seen online, they have versions that are like 3 centimeters, which I believe this one is, and then they have the 5.5 centimeters to 55 millimeter one. So you can get larger ones. It looks like in this image, if this is a real image, which it looks like it is, these are much larger puzzles, or that is a really tiny couch. So I'm going to first show you this. I'm going to go through all the features it has. I'm going to compare it to what the GAN one is, just because that's one that already exists out there, and we'll see what's similar, what's different. And then I'm going to make a big Mosaic. Oh, they have little guides for other things. That's nice. Things I can't read. Okay, awesome. So they've got a little packet of things. Now this is going to be tricky. Oh, they've got pull tabs. Okay, come on. Okay, so as far as the puzzles go, they sit in the practically exact same way. This looks like the mini puzzle. Wow, that is a thin stock there. Hopefully this is nice and durable. I'm going to flip this over and hope it doesn't all fall out. Okay. We have a very similar stand. It's not the exact same. Okay. Then you can move that out, have it sit. Here we have things for nails. Actually, it comes with the screws for that. And thing to take them out. I'm not sure what this part is for. It does not say. Well, let's put this back. Let's flip this back over. I know what this part's for because you can take a piece out like that. This, what is this? Part of a stand. Okay, we have hooks, puzzle pins, hanging hole, plate separator. Maybe it's to position things. I'm not sure what these are for. If someone has any idea, let me know. But we've got a little piece here and then thing there. Either way, okay. So it's extremely similar to the GAN one. It feels kind of heavy. So let's compare these. So as far as the pieces go, these puzzles are a little bit bigger than the GAN ones. And these ones are their stickerless speed cubes, while the GAN one had the black borders and were more of a, I would say, traditional turning puzzle where everything's very square and cubic. And other than that, so I know, like I said, this comes in a much bigger size pieces. We can get the 55.5 millimeter, which I'm curious what puzzles those are. How does that turn? What do they use for that? These, just like the GAN ones, there we go, that's what I was trying to say. So you can, I'm going to try to push a little bit, you can see there are magnets on both of these, meaning that with this one, you can connect other ones next to it. Same thing with this, you can connect other ones next to it. This also, it says on the package, there are magnets on the back. So you can connect two in the back and then put it on a thing that's maybe spins or turns or is double-sided. One thing that's interesting that I see is you can see the colors around it. So because these pieces are rounded and they're not the tiles, you're getting a little bit of a bleed-in of the other colors. I'm also wondering, if that's not all solid green, if let's say you have, if this is yellow but you have like a blue and then a red and a green and an orange and a white, if you wouldn't be able to tell the lines so much because the other colors are mixed in a bit. Now I don't do a lot of mosaics, but I really want to get like 3 more and make a really big 60 by 60 pixel grid. This is 30 by 30 because going to 60 by 60 makes a huge difference as far as what you can make. With this, as far as what I've made, it really does need to be fairly cartoony. I'll word it that way, where you have an outline, a solid color. When you have a bigger grid, you can do where you have different colors that shade into each other or fade into each other. I don't know the word for that. If you know if that has a specific name, let me know. We can basically take a picture and is it like rasterize or something like that. Either way, okay, I'm going to get to making a mosaic. Stay tuned for that. Stay subscribed. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. Let me know down in the comment section what you think I should also do for future ones. I already know what I'm going to do for this one, but let me know in the future what you would like to see, either in a 30 by 30 pixel or 60 by 60. Okay, once again, hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by SpeedCubeView for more news and reviews.